Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic technology, we are going to be looking at water flow. Okay? Our topic for basic technology is on water flow. So are you ready for the lesson? You are, right? Okay. Water flow is the movement of water from one place to another, typically in rivers, streams, or other waterways. Okay? Water flow refers to the movement of water from one place to another. It can occur naturally, like rivers, streams, or be controlled and directed through human systems. Okay, human-made systems. Do you understand? Water flow is how water moves from one place to another, and it's really important. It's important for nature, farming, and our daily activities. Okay? Good. So we're going to be looking at the different types of flow. Different types of flow. We have the steady flow. Steady flow occurs when fluid moves in a constant direction and its velocity at any given point does not change over time. Example, water flowing through a straight pipe at a constant rate. In steady flow, water moves in a straight line at a constant speed. Okay? Do we understand that? Example, water flowing through a straight pipe at a constant rate. Okay? Another example, water flowing steadily from a garden hose. It has a constant rate. It has one direction. It moves in a straight line. Okay? Good. Unsteady flow. Unsteady flow, also known as transient flow, occurs when the velocity of the fluid changes with time at a specific location. Example, the water flowing during a sudden change in valve position. Unsteady flow. Water speed changes over time. Okay? Like when you suddenly open a faucet. Do you understand? Turning the faucet on and off, causing the water flow to change. Laminar flow. Laminar flow is characterized by smooth, orderly layers of fluid that move parallel to each other with minimal mixing between layers. Example, water flowing through a clean and straight pipe at low velocities. Laminar flow, water flows smoothly in parallel layers, like a calm river. Okay? Do you understand? So these are types of flow: steady flow, unsteady flow, laminar flow. Okay? We also have turbulent flow. Turbulent flow is characterized by chaotic, irregular fluid motion with mixing and eddies. Example, water flow in a fast and rough river, or when there are obstacles in the path. Turbulent flow is when water moves chaotically with swirls and eddies, like in a fast, rough river. Okay? Just like when you're stirring a cup of hot chocolate vigorously. The swirling motion represents turbulent flow. Do we get that? Compressible flow. Compressible flow occurs when changes in pressure and temperature significantly impact the density of the fluid. Example, flow of air in a high-speed wind tunnel. Compressible flow. Water changes density with temperature and pressure, like air in a fast wind. Okay? Incompressible flow. Incompressible flow occurs when the density of the fluid remains nearly constant, and changes in pressure have little impact on the fluid's density. Example, water flow in most common situations. Water density stays about the same, like water in everyday situations. Example, water flowing from a tap. Its density doesn't change noticeably. Okay? So all these are also types of flow: turbulent flow, compressible flow, incompressible flow. Okay? We also have open channel flow. Open channel flow is the flow of water in an open conduit, such as rivers, streams, or channels, where the water surface is exposed to the atmosphere. Example, water flowing in a river. Open channel flow. Water flows openly like in a river or stream. Okay? Closed conduit flow. Closed conduit flow refers to the flow of water in enclosed pipes or conduits, where the water is confined within the boundaries of the pipe. Example, water flowing through pipes in a plumbing system. Water flows in pipes or tubes, like in your home plumbing. So these are the types of flow we have, okay? Do we understand? We mentioned steady flow, unsteady flow, laminar flow, turbulent flow, compressible flow, incompressible flow, open channel flow, closed conduit flow. So we understood all the types of flow we mentioned, right? Good. So today's lesson on water flow, we understood it. We talked about the meaning of water flow and types of water flow, right? And we understood everything. We said water flow is the movement of water from one place to another, right? And we looked at the types of water flow. Okay, good. So know that water flow is important, okay? It's significant for both natural ecosystems and human activities. Good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.